Finally, the map is finished.
Ooh, is that a map to Sons of Liberty?
Yeah, well, yes it is.
I'm gonna use it.
What do you mean?
I'm gonna steal your treasure.
That's fine.
I'm gonna go steal it. I'm go.
No, my treasure. No.
I think he died. Oh well. So Sons of Liberty, eh? What an interesting club. Well documented, I see. Looks like it says that Sons of Liberty, or better known as the entire Sunshine Society, is a group of epic people who help people out. Whether it's doing car washes for charity, or just wearing ridiculous outfits for charity as well, they sure helped out a lot of people. Hey, it says there's actual members of Sons of Liberty around here somewhere. I should find them. I just can't find nobody. Oh God! Ezekiel!
Konner, I heard you needed interviews.
I do.
All right, then let's go. All right, I've brought you to my realm so you can interview me. This is a crossover, by the way, guys. It's great. Okay, so you need a mic, don't you?
Yeah, I could use mine.
All right. All right, here you go.
Well, daggone. Thanks you. Yeah. So, how was your experience with Sons of Liberty so far?
I mean, it's a lot of fun, and plus you get to go to the Sunshine Dance, which is a lot of fun most of the time. And it's just fun overall. You get to help out with the community, do tons of stuff. It's great.
So, what would you say is your most fun experience with Sons of Liberty so far?
Every year we have that car wash, and that's a lot of fun, especially when like Stevie gets on top of the car.
Yeah, buddy.
It's hilarious. It's fun overall.
Would you recommend anybody join Sons of Liberty?
Absolutely, I would. It's always great to meet new friends in Sons of Liberty, and it's a great way to help out with the community, and just it doesn't hurt you if you join because you don't have to do everything.
Thank you for your time. Oh, wait, I got one more question. How in the world are you so powerful? How can you teleport stuff?
He found out too much.
Whoa! Oh, daggone it, Ezekiel!
Bro, who's Ezekiel?
Oh, he's nobody important. You want to be interviewed?
Yeah, sure.
You're at Sons of Liberty, right?
Yeah.
All right. What was your favorite thing this year about Sons of Liberty so far?
So since I'm an officer, we went to Texas Roadhouse and the Ronald McDonald House to help donate stuff. We went to Texas Roadhouse to eat, obviously. But
That's epic, man. That's epic. Oh yeah, I got one more question. How was your experience so far with Sons of Liberty?
it's been a pretty fun experience. I've been freshman year. Martin didn't let me run for anything.
Ooh.
And then the past 2 years, I've been the treasurer. It's been pretty fun.
That's epic, dude. Thanks for answering those questions. Quick move. I'm gonna do a fake. Can't find nobody. Oh God! Ezekiel!
You need a mic, don't you?
Yeah, I could use mine.
All right. All right, here you go.
McDonald House. So it was lit.
That's epic, man. I got another question for you. Bro, and that's a ruined day.